Hi, this is Monica. Welcome back to my channel, Suds and Bees. If you remember my last video, I made a rolled cake, I think it's called rolled cake soap from Nature's Garden. The project was not very successful. I will put the link in the description box below if you want to go check out that video. It's very interesting. So what I did to salvage some of the product is I turned it into this beautiful Valentine foot scrub. But before we go make it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So come on, let's go make it. Okay, so here I'm going to add 100 grams of foaming bath whip. I'm using the Crafter's Choice. To this I'm going to add 10 grams of vegetable glycerin. Okay, so for the fragrance oil I'm adding chocolate covered strawberries at 4%. The maximum is 5% for soap. So we're adding this at 4.4 grams. So I'm going to be adding 4.4 grams of vanilla stabilizer. Okay, into this I'm adding some pink mica. Now we're going to whip. Okay, so here's my cut soap. I'm spreading it apart. This is my, I don't know if I should call it a fail, but I don't feel comfortable gifting something that's whipped and not bottled. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start scraping these little guys up here. I'm just trying to salvage as much as I can here. Now I do have some more that I molded, and of course they also didn't set. So my battery died, and I took the opportunity to clean up my space here and change my gloves. Had a hot mess going on here. So I've emptied out the rolled cake, as well as emptied out 2 of the molds. There's still some in there, but I'm done with it. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to be adding any oils or anything to this. I think the way it is now, it's great. It's got enough glycerin. And I'm going to be adding some Epsom salt and make this a foot scrub. So it's a good way to save the product. Now I'm just eyeballing this. I have a cup of Epsom salt here. I'm not sure if that is going to be too much or it's not going to be enough. So we'll play it by ear. This is great for your feet because of the shape of the Epsom salt. It's in little squares instead of little circles. So great to scrub the bottoms of your feet. Do not use this on your face or on your body because it'll hurt. But I'm glad I got to at least save this. It smells amazing and it's got pretty good ingredients in there. Epsom salt is a good detoxifier, so it's always nice to put stuff like that on the bottom of your feet. It looks pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it in a piping bag, just so it's easier to put in the container. Okay, into this bag I'm going to cut it pretty big. That's good. Okay, here I'm using an 8-ounce plastic jar. I think I may have enough for a 4-ounce. I have a 4-ounce right here. That was a lot of soap I didn't want to waste. Okay, just to make it look pretty. And those are some of the hearts that I had left over from the other soap. I couldn't use the ones that were on top because they had too much pink soap on them and I didn't want to wash them. So we'll do this. And do this. And there we go. We salvaged a big part of our last fail and turned it into this beautiful Valentine foot scrub. Thank you for watching. See you next time.